welcome back to my channel today. I would like to talk about a particular topic, that is discovering or the secret to greatness. Yes, that's what I want to talk about today. So as a YouTuber who strive for greatness within myself, I thought it would be fitting to discuss the secret to achieving greatness. That's exactly what I thought. But first, what exactly is greatness? Or let's define greatness. It might differ to many people depending on that point of view, but to me, or in my own opinion, greatness actually is a combination of success, fulfillment, and impact. Those three things: success, fulfillment, and impact. It is not just achieving your goals, but feeling satisfied with what you have accomplished and knowing what you have made a positive difference in the world. So what's the secret to this greatness? The truth is, there isn't one singular secret or formula for greatness. It's a combination actually of mindset, hard work, and the willingness to learn and grow. Yes. One key aspect of achieving greatness is having perseverance. Perseverance is very, very important. When facing obstacles, it's easy to give up and feel defeated, but those who achieve greatness push through tough times, knowing that failure is merely a stepping stone to success. Another aspect is having a growth mindset, guys. Having a growth mindset. This means understanding that we all have the potential to grow and improve, and that failure is simply feedback that help us learn and improve. We all actually have the potential to grow, improve, and that failure is simply a feedback to help us improve, guys. Always learn from your mistakes or learn from your failure, because from them you learn how to improve plus one time. But it's not just about mindset. Yes, it's not just about mindset. Consistent hard work and dedication are necessary for achieving greatness. Yes. Practicing your craft, studying others in your country, and constantly learning are all important aspects of putting in the work to achieve your goals. And finally, I actually believe that the impact is a crucial component of greatness. Yes, to truly be great, we must use our talents and skills to make difference in the world, whether it's through our work, volunteering, or simply being kind to others. Make a positive impact is what sets true greatness apart. That's so true, and that's what I actually believe in. So there you have it. That's what I believe in. The secret to achieving greatness is a combination of perseverance, a growth mindset, hard work, and having an impact. And remember, it's not a quick fix or an easy path, guys. It's not a quick fix or an easy path, but rather a journey that requires constant effort and dedication. So that's exactly what I feel is the secret to achieving greatness. In case if you want to add something, or if you have your own point of view about it and you want to share about it, let's know in the comment section down below, and we are going to discuss about it, guys. So I hope this video actually has inspired and educated you, as well as entertained and informed you. Let's all strive for greatness together as an individual, and let's stay safe out there. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. See you soon. Thanks very much. Stay safe, guys. Stay safe. Thank you.